Welcome, dear one, to this chakra meditation. Chakras are spinning wheels of energy located along your spine, from the base of your spine to the top of your head. These energy centers influence physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This meditation will help you to get in touch with your intuition and to feel better in your body. Please come into a quiet, safe space, allowing yourself to be as comfortable as possible, preferably sitting straight up so your spine is straight. However, lying down is fine as well. Now, please take a deep breath in, hold, and as you exhale, close your eyes. Taking another deep breath in, hold, and then as you exhale, let your shoulders relax. Taking in another breath, and as you exhale, feel yourself fully supported by the seat you are in. Just relaxing a little bit more. And now imagine a beautiful white healing light at the top of your head, which is called your crown chakra. Imagine this beautiful, deep healing white light traveling from the top of your head down, down, down through the top of your head and moving down, down, down through your body and flowing out through your spine into the earth. And now imagine this beautiful white light from your anchored point in the earth traveling up your spine, up, up, up your body, all the way up to your crown chakra and out into the heavens. You are now connected from the heavens to the earth. Feel this connection in a reassuring way that allows you to relax more deeply into this experience. And now imagine that you are breathing in a beautiful, vibrant red energy. Breathing it into your first chakra, which is also called your root chakra. It is your first chakra. It is located at the base of your spine, nestled into your pubic bone. As you imagine this vibrant red energy, I want you to notice your chakra spinning clockwise or to the left, if that feels right. If it feels right to go the other direction, that's the way it will go. It's going in the direction that is just right for you. It is spinning, it is opening, it is filling with a vibrant, beautiful red energy. Notice whatever you can about this beautiful, vibrant red energy filling your first chakra. And as that chakra fills with red energy, I want you to affirm and say out louder to yourself, I have the right to be here. I have the right to live. I have the right to thrive. Allowing this knowing, this balancing to just settle in to your first chakra, knowing that your first chakra is open and balanced. Taking a nice deep breath in, and as we exhale, we move up to below the belly button, to the sacral chakra, to your sacral chakra right below your belly button. imagining now that you are breathing in into this beautiful sacral chakra, a beautiful orange, vibrant energy. And as you breathe it in, allow this vibrant orange color to fill your second chakra. As you imagine this color filling your second chakra, just under your belly button, notice your chakra and how it's spinning like an orange, spinning and open and filling with orange, vibrant light. Notice how it feels, knowing that now, as you fill this chakra with the vibrant orange energy, your chakra, your second chakra, your sacral chakra is open and balanced. Now affirm, I am creative. I am emotionally sound and stable. I am vibrant. Now, knowing that your orange second chakra is vibrant and open and balanced, taking in a nice deep breath, and on the exhale, moving up to above the belly button into the third chakra. This chakra above your belly button is your solar plexus chakra. Imagine your solar plexus chakra is filling with a vibrant yellow energy. Imagining that your solar plexus chakra is like a beautiful, radiant sun being filled with yellow energy. And as you do, I want you to notice that now your chakra is spinning and is open and is feeling so warm and radiant. And as you are noticing the brilliance of your solar plexus chakra, please repeat, I am strong. I am powerful. I am clear. My thoughts are clear. As you are filling this chakra up with yellow vibrational energy, know that your solar plexus chakra is balanced. Taking in a nice deep breath and exhaling. Now moving up to your fourth chakra, which is your heart chakra. I want you to imagine filling your heart chakra up, which is located in your heart's center. Imagine filling your heart chakra with vibrant green energy. As you fill your chakra up with this beautiful, vibrant green energy, I want you to notice your heart chakra and how wonderful it is, and how it is spinning, and how it is filling up with the green, vibrant, live energy. Notice how it feels to have your heart chakra open and spinning and balanced. And as you are noticing what this feels like to have your heart chakra open and spinning and balanced, please affirm, I am love, I am loving, I am lovable. Now continuing to fill your heart chakra with green, healing, vibrant energy, knowing now that your heart chakra is opened and balanced. Taking a nice deep breath in and exhaling, and moving to the fifth chakra, is your throat chakra. Imagining the color blue, breathing in the color blue into your throat chakra, filling your throat chakra up with vibrant blue energy. Notice how it feels. Notice that your throat chakra is open and spinning. And notice how that feels with the vibrant blue energy. And now affirm, I communicate effectively. I speak my truth. I speak my needs. Now filling that chakra up with vibrant blue energy and knowing that this chakra, your throat chakra, is opened and balanced. And now taking a deep breath and exhaling. And now moving up to the 6th chakra in the center of the forehead. This is the 3rd eye chakra. Some people imagine that this is in the shape of an eye. Imagine that this chakra or this eye is filling up with indigo or deep purple energy, filling it up with a vibrant energy of indigo. And as you do this, notice that this energy is opening and balancing your 3rd eye chakra. As you notice the change in your 3rd eye that is now awakened now, please affirm, my intuition is open and clear. I listen to the direction of my highest knowing. I hear and trust my inner guidance. And now filling up your 3rd eye chakra one more time with indigo, deep purple energy. Now your 6th chakra is opened and balanced. And finally, we move to the top of the head. Imagine drawing in crystalline white energy into the top of your head, into your crown chakra, and filling that chakra with vibrant crystalline white sparkly light. And as you fill it up, notice how your crown chakra is open and is spinning. Notice how it feels as you fill this chakra up with white, sparkly light. Please affirm, I open to the life force energy now. My life force is clear. I open to something higher than myself. And now, as you continue to fill your crown chakra up with crystalline white light energy, notice that your 7th chakra is open and balanced now. And now notice the difference in your body. Notice that your chakras are open and spinning and balanced now. And breathing in one last deep intentional breath of gratitude. And on the exhalation, letting go of all stuck energy. Feeling how good you feel to have your chakras open and balanced. And now, feel the gratitude within your body. The gratitude for yourself for showing up for this meditation and finishing it through. The gratitude for your breath for helping to balance and open and clear. And the gratitude for your chakras that will help you to be more intuitive and feel better in your body. Thank you, beautiful soul, for joining me. If in any way you feel moved, more at peace, or just simply enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Namaste.